There's the drivers and the volunteers chatting.
All over here. They're very, very efficient, aren't they? That's the last train now.
I know. It's okay.
That's the last train to San Francisco.
San Francisco, that's too far for a miniature loco like this to go that miles.
No, you need a lot of batteries.
Well, yeah. If it's a 66, it definitely wouldn't make it, because they have small batteries, the 66. I wish they did the class 40 miniature loco, because if it was a 40, because it's a similar length to the 66, similar in length, and then it could like easily fit like 2 big batteries and 1 small one, the 40, and can pull like 4 of these trucks, the 40s. Oh.